Let's say you want to print on fabric, all right? You want to print on a soft textile of some kind, but you don't want to go into the dye sublimation process, which has a lot of steps and a reasonable amount of expense. Your goal is display fabrics, maybe with an outdoor requirement or in a window requirement, and you need a technology that can print successfully onto fabric, but doesn't have the whole dye sub process, nor the limitations for dye sub with sunlight, because it will fade much more quickly. I give you a solution. In my opinion, LED UV is the best way to print on fabric without breaking the bank, but still getting all of the things you need in quality and appearance and scratch and scuff resistance that you get from UV. Mimaki has a great entry-level printer for this. You can print with this printer onto textiles, onto fabric textiles. You want to have it treated, or if you will, coated for UV. It's usually a universal coating that will work for UV, resin, as well as solvent, but UV, in my opinion, really gives you the best quality. It's very resistant to scratching and scuffing. It's great for backlit. And by the way, this printer has white ink, so if you want to do backlit fabric, now you can print CMYK, layer of white, CMYK, and that gives you glorious fabric backlits. You need that white layer. This printer has white ink as an option. That's really cool. If you don't want to use white and you just want to print direct or have normal backlit fabrics without the white layer, that also is available with this printer. It's a very versatile printer and the UV technology is excellent. It's going to give you great scratch and scuff resistance so that you can print it, you can sew it, you can put it into the frame systems, and it's going to look really good. UV is a challenger to dye sublimation in a lot of applications where sunlight matters. Because dye sublimation fades quickly in direct sunlight, UV does not. So let's say you're in an application where it had to be in sunlight for a year, UV is a much better choice than what you're going to get with dye sublimation. And with this printer at an entry level, you can load a roll of fabric on it, you can print it and get a great result. It's going to be very durable through the sewing and fabrication process, much more so than the alternatives. And it's going to give you a look that's very close to dye sublimation. It's going to look good. And that's one of the great things about UV LED. It's an extremely versatile technology. It allows you to print wall covering, you can print fabric, you can print adhesive vinyls, you can print clear films. It has a broad reach at a very modest investment point. So you get a lot of bang for your buck with this particular Mimaki printer.